recycle your articles to gain tons of traffic and new subscribers. While there are many effective ways to get more traffic and build your email newsletter list, the one I've had the most success with is to submit articles for use on other people's websites and in their ezines. But wait a minute, you say. Aren't I supposed to be creating great articles for my own ezine? Yes, you are. And after your article appears in your own ezine, you should then submit it to others. Over the past few years, I've found this to be the best way to get traffic, build my list, and increase my sales, for 5 reasons. 1. You can quickly gain free exposure to tens of thousands, or even hundreds of thousands, of untapped prospects at a time. There are many high-traffic sites and ezines with high readerships that are looking for content from people like you. 2. Articles let you educate and share good information with your prospects. They also position you as an expert in their eyes, so they'll think of you as the most respected resource in your field. Traditional ads don't do that for you. 3. You have the right to promote yourself, your business, and whatever else you want at the end of every article. And anyone using your article must keep this information intact. More on that in a minute. 4. This is a tried-and-true method that will never stop working, unlike the latest and greatest gimmicks to spoof the search engines. Try one of those and see how quickly your traffic halts once the bottom drops out. Search engines love real content and will always love real content. 5. It's easy, and anyone can do it. Here's how to get started. 1. Pick a winner. Browse through your archives and pick an insightful article that really showcases your expertise. Or, if this is new to you, write a basic article on your subject of expertise. 2. Polish it till it shines. Publishers will not be interested in your article if it contains typos, misspelled words, grammatical errors, or inactive web links. These goofs would compromise the integrity of their publications. So make sure it's kosher. 3. Add a copyright notice. At the end of the article, insert a copyright notice, dated when you first published the article. Example: Copyright 2005 Alexandria K. Brown 4. Write a jazzy resource box in exchange for your letting other publishers reprint your article. It's customary to require they include the contact information you provide. This is usually called the resource box, and it should come right after your copyright notice. Here's where you can ham it up. Don't waste time promoting your actual business in the resource box. Why? Remember, your #1 goal is always to get prospects on your list. You'll gain more clients and customers by first getting them to subscribe to your free ezine or special report. Then you've got them. You'll be in front of them regularly, and that's when they'll understand why they should hire you or buy your products. 5. Submit your article to online content directories. There are hundreds of free content websites and announcement lists where you can submit your articles for other publishers to use. Some even let you include a picture and other information about your website. 6. Submit your article directly to appropriate publishers. For best results, take the bull by the horns and contact publishers directly. But not just any publishers, ones with ezines that accept articles and whose readers are your ideal clients and customers. A great place to start your search and build your own list is Charlie Page's directory of ezines. 7. Automate the entire process.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.